In today's video, we're going to take a look at the new wireless camera monitor from Shimbol. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel. My name is Vic and I create videos on videography, photography, all camera techniques, how-to tutorials and all sort of exciting camera gear stuff. If this is your very first time here, a very warm welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, I totally appreciate your entire support. Also, if you would like to help me grow my channel, then please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe now to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you never miss out on any of the future videos I put out. Full disclosure, a huge thank you to Ethel from Shimbol for sending this monitor out to me to check it out, but I was not sponsored or paid to say anything specific on this product, so everything you hear from me today on this video will be my honest and unbiased opinion. For your better understanding, I will be showing you what's inside the package, its build quality, how the monitor actually works, all its cool and exciting features, its actual price, and where you can get them from, and what's my final thoughts and opinion about this awesome monitor. So let's quickly get the unboxing out of the way. I've got the box here. Let's unbox it and see what's inside, and we'll check out the build quality. The box looks really like a really hard, rigid box. So packing wise, Shimbol has done a very good job. I like the white casing. Very simple, to the point. Says Shimbol ZO600M series. And that's pretty much all the advertising around saying the model, and it says it's a wireless monitor. So let's quickly unbox this first. So let me get this out of the way. We got the Shimbol barcode scanning, one for the company website and one for the user manual. We got the user manual here. I'll get this out of the way. A thick foam pad which secures the monitor inside the casing. So that's a very satisfying thing to have it inside the box. We have the actual monitor here. Let me take that out. Inside the box, you have a silica gel as usual for all the products which are sent out. There's nothing else. All you get in the box is just the monitor alone with the instruction manual and the barcoding, the card. So looking straight away off the box, it feels really good in the hand. It got that weight. I can see it's a mixture of metal and plastic. So it's some sort of a nice hard plastic material used along with some metal casing. If I have to rate it out of 10, I would definitely give a minimum of 7. All the ports are clear. There's no, the cheap stuff on the ports. The tactile button feels and looks good. So I'm quite happy with the unboxing, and it just ticks off everything for me when I unbox something for myself. Product feels premium and professional. So let's quickly look into the functions of this monitor. Starting off with the top of the monitor, which is the screen. It's a 5.5-inch display HD screen where it states Shimbol here on the elevated part, which is where the actual inbuilt antennas have been set up. So there's no antenna sticking out of any sort, which is great. Well done, Shimbol. At the bottom, we see a 1/4-inch 20 thread. We have a DC out option here. On the other side of the monitor, we have 2 slots for NPF style batteries. The good thing about these 2 slots is you can fire the monitor with both the batteries turned on, and if one fails, the camera monitor doesn't stop, but it continues working with the other battery, which is a great feature from this camera monitor from Shimbol. So the pins look great. Let's quickly get some of the batteries, and I'll show you how to turn them on. So put them here, slide it in, get another battery here, slide it in, you get that very satisfying click sound. And if you can look on the side, we have a button here and a button here. So you have to click on the button to release the battery out. The same thing on the other side. Press on the button and release the battery out. So I'll slide one back in, slide back in, and then you click on the power button, the monitor turns on. And while doing this, just in case if I have to take one of these batteries out, I can still have the monitor working. So we have a USB-C slot here. This is basically for loading your LUTs or any updates to your Shimbol camera monitor. Unfortunately, the Type-C will not power your monitor. You also get a TF card slot, and the good thing is Shimbol provides a 32 gig card along with the monitor when you buy one. On the other side, we have 2 HDMI slots. One is the HDMI in and one is the HDMI out. We have a headphone monitoring jack, and we also have a DC in with between 7 to 17 volts. Okay, we are here finally to talk about the important features which comes included with this beautiful monitor, and also those unique features I was telling you guys in the beginning of the video. So I'm going to roll these features out one by one to you and also talk few lines about it, so you have a clear understanding of what the feature is and how the feature actually works and performs. So let's dive right into it and let's check out the first one. Firstly, it's a beautiful 1920 into a 1080 touchscreen control. Being an HDMI monitor, this ZO600 provides professional monitoring in a sharp 5.5-inch monitor with 1920 into 12 resolution. It is daylight viewable with 1000 nits of brightness. It has a contrast ratio of 12:1 and it has a touchscreen control. Its new UI design and its clean, simple and easy navigation of all the functions around the monitor and internally all the functions makes it a very commendable monitor. Next up is the wireless video transmission system inbuilt into this monitor. The transmitter function and receiver function all in one device supports functions to switch each other, transmitter to receiver, receiver to transmitter. It is well designed to work with Shimbol other wireless products ecosystem like the ZO600S, which is this one here, and the 500 series. Next up is the teleprompting function. One of the standout features of the 600M monitor is the teleprompting function itself. By downloading the text content to the TF card slot in the monitor, it turns into a teleprompting device through the 5.5-inch display which you can read out in the monitor for your live streaming, which you can send it to YouTube, TikTok and other social media. It also allows your setup to become less bulkier by avoiding having the traditional teleprompting kit and a phone sitting on front of your lens. Next up, the monitor supports 3D LUTs as usual, which can be imported through the TF card slot, and it also supports the camera simultaneously for the HDR recording and the playback function. The device also comes with the HDMI input and output like every other monitor. It supports video transmission via a HDMI cable, or it can be wireless, which is another standout feature. The monitor features a 7-watt ultra low power consumption and is powered using the L series batteries or the DC supply. This monitor, as mentioned earlier, is switchable between the transmitter and the receiver. The RX, the receiver, the TX, the transmitter is actually interchangeable. And then the monitor can be used as a transmitter or as a receiver device. When being a transmitter, it can send a video to 2 receivers plus 1 iOS device simultaneously. The system is compatible with Shimbol's ZO600S, the 500 series, making it a very eco-friendly brand. Next up, long transmission range and low latency. Always talk for the wireless transmission system when you want to buy one. As a wireless transmission system, the Shimbol ZO600M allows you to wirelessly receive, transmit video from up to 152 meters or 500 feet away with 0.08 latency. We come to that final part of the video where we want to know what the actual price of this product is, what I think about this product, would I recommend this to you? So coming to the price is around $399 US. It might be $10 or $15 or $20 up and down. So I'll leave the links in the description below. Go check them out so you'll know the actual price. What I feel about this product, the product is just plainly amazing.
Oh my God! Wow!
The product gives you a lot of features, common features you see in a monitor, and also those extra special features, and you get all those packed in for the price what you're paying. So basically with the money what you're paying, you're getting a lot of returns, and it is very portable. So you can take this along, you can use it in your rig, you can use it in your small setup with a camera. What I would like to see into the future, I would like to see Shimbol throwing in some accessories like cables, or even I would strongly recommend something like a monitor mount, like a cold shim mount, which is 360 rotatable or something, some sort of a perk included in the box, because as a buyer, we always like to see what we get inside the box along with any product we buy. Are we getting anything extra? So I would suggest Shimbol to maybe work on some of these, and in their future product, they put that into perspective. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for all your patience watching this video.
I would love to hear from you. So please feel free to comment below. What do you think of this video? What do you think of the actual product? What do you think are the features you would like to see, or these cool features? What do you think about it? Or if you have any further questions or you want to talk to me, comment below. Once again, a huge thank you for all your time today, and I'm signing off from you guys until my next video. Take care, stay safe, keep smiling, and being positive is the key. Bye.